Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the auto power window that doesn't automatically going down or doesn't automatically going up. For here, the button is the auto button. See this auto, and then normally if I press and hold to press and hold until 2 of tick, it should be automatic going down. And of course the vice versa is I pull it to the max, it should be automatically going up, but it doesn't. I don't know why it is happen, but I know the solution is when it's close, fully close, you pull and hold the auto here around 5 seconds. Okay, pull it to the max and then check it if it's this the issue is still happen or not, and then you open your window fully. After that you press and hold for 5 until 10 seconds and then try it and one more time. It's supposed to be fix the issue. Okay, now we do the practical ways. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Good job. Okay, that's it. The solution of the power window is not automatically closed and does not automatically open. I hope it's helpful for you. If you have any question, please put on the comment below. If you like, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.